A day or so ago, I did a webinar with Comfort, and it was a really, really good webinar. I always enjoy being on with Comfort. We hit a lot of points, and I thought it was really, really good. And 90% of what we said was just spot on. But I did screw up, and I want to come on and just kind of set the record straight and tell you what I said that I don't think was true. And it has to do with the primary placement individuals, them going into Victory with Ash, getting a link, and then sending those links out to us, and we coming into Victory with Ash. I said that as we come into Victory with Ash, you and I, if we're not primary placements, we would not get a link. I was wrong. I went back and listened to the webinar that Ash did about a week ago, and he plainly said, as we come into Victory with Ash, we will get a link, and we will be able to share that link to bring additional people in to Victory with Ash. So I was wrong. I screwed up. You will get a link, even if you come in from one of the links that the primary placement people have. As you come into Victory with Ash, you will get a link that you can share. I think that's a big deal. I think the clarification had to be done, and that's what this video is a bit about. I had to come on and tell you that. If you haven't listened to the webinar that Comfort and I did a couple of days ago, you should go look at it. It was really, really good. And as I said, I think 99% of the stuff that Comfort and I went over, it's spot on. It will give you clarity. It will give you an understanding where you are. It will give you an understanding not only where you are, but where we're going. It was really good. I had a great time with Comfort. So as far as the links, you will get a link as you get into Victory with Ash. That's what Ash said. And again, I went back and listened to the webinar. He said it plain as day. You will get a link as you come into Victory with Ash that you can share. I believe Ash is going to be coming out with more information for us. Right now, he's going over the applications that we have done to figure out those people that go into the priority placements. Hopefully, this is the last day, by the way, you can fill out the application. It ends midnight tonight. Ash is going over those applications right now, and hopefully this weekend he might have those names that will be priority placements. Those individuals that will go in first have a link that will be able to come in, get their link, and then get into Victory with Ash. So really, really exciting stuff happening today. Ash is working really, really hard. I think he'll have that list out for us, the priority placements this weekend or next week sometime. There's a lot of them. So he's going over each and every one of them. But hopefully next week we know who those individuals are. If you're on there, you'll be into Victory with Ash. You'll be able to see what's back there. You'll have a link that you can start sharing with people. And then as we come in, if we don't have a priority placement link, as we come into Victory with Ash, you will get a link. And that's really the clarification I wanted to do. From there, we're going to be at ground zero. We really are. And we're going to see just how high we're going to go. And as Mr. Mufara comes out and it starts to explain more and more stuff as we move into the big, bold, beautiful new business, it's going to be a really, really fun. It is a really, really fun time right now, and it's going to get more and more exciting as we move forward, going into the bold new business. So that's it for today, guys. Just a quick clarification. I screwed up a little bit, but hopefully that'll rectify it. What I've just said, and get excited. Your future is about to change in very, very good ways. Take care, and we'll chat later. Bye.